Morrisville has evolved to a much richer experience, and that not only will you be taking courses in a specialized discipline, but you'll be taking courses on the fringe of other disciplines that will allow you to understand a perspective much broader than what we once had. Every campus, every college, every mission of every educational institution has to evolve to become embedded in the fabric of what their region and their states need. In that way, it isn't just that we teach courses that prepare students for advancement in a field, but the very content of the curriculum, the very programs that we offer are responsive to the needs of an ongoing conversation we have with corporate leaders, with civic engagement. When our students leave Morrisville with our on-site learning laboratories and our internship experiences, they not only leave with a set of skills that are relevant for the career paths they choose, but they're confident in that knowledge. They know how to do things that the employer asks them to do because they've already done it here as part of their curricular studies at the college.